Good day, everyone. Today I will be presenting our research proposal titled Slumber Science: Unlocking Academic Potential Through Power Naps. Sleep is for the weak, or is it? Many college students think that staying up late and losing sleep is the only way to keep up with school. Because of this, they often don't get enough rest, which makes it harder to focus, remember things, and do well in class. And many students sacrifice sleep for productivity, believing that sleeplessness is the key to higher grades. But research tells a different story. Sleep is not a weakness, but a necessity for memory, focus, and mental well-being. Our study investigates how power naps affect study efficiency and academic performance among university students, aiming to uncover if short naps can boost learning without losing valuable time. The objectives of our study is to determine the efficacy of power naps in cognitive functions and academic productivity. Also to assess the most suitable nap duration in college students, as well as to identify barriers and facilitators to the adoption of power naps among university students. Our study is significant, for it benefits the students directly, as short naps can help reduce fatigue, enhance concentration, and support academic success amidst irregular sleep schedules. It can also help educators, where they can use the findings to better understand how rest influences student learning and engagement, potentially shaping class schedules and teaching strategies. It can also help working students so that they can improve their productivity and focus by integrating power naps into their routine, allowing for better performance in both school and work. This study can also help mental health professionals, which they can leverage the research to emphasize rest as a vital tool for stress management, emotional regulation, and psychological well-being. This also can help researchers, where they can build upon this study to further investigate the broader effects of sleep and rest on cognitive function, emotional health, and academics. In our scope and delimitations, our study focuses on CMU College of Arts and Sciences students aged 18 and above. It compares nappers and non-nappers using survey and interviews to assess memory, focus, productivity, and academic performance through their general weighted average. It excludes students from other colleges, those with sleep disorders, or those who take long naps. And external factors like mental health or nutrition are not covered, and no actual nap facilities or policies are implemented. Only student perceptions are explored. Carrying on to our methodologies. In this study, we will use comparative research design and examine the difference in academic performance, concentration, memory retention, and productivity between students who take power naps and those who do not. And by comparing these groups, the study aims to determine the measurable impact of napping on cognitive function and academic success, therefore providing insights into its potential as a learning enhancement strategy. This study will employ a stratified random sampling technique to ensure a representative sample of students from the College of Arts and Sciences at Central Mindanao University. The population will be divided into strata based on academic year level and napping habits. From each subgroup, participants will be randomly selected. Then the proportional allocation formula developed by Fisher will be applied to determine the sample size for each stratum. For our sampling procedure, first we will define the target population, then identify relevant strata. Next, we will determine the sample size and select participants randomly. After finding our sample, we will do the pilot testing and the data collection along with the ethical compliance. And lastly, we will do our analysis. That concludes our research proposal. We welcome any questions, suggestions, feedbacks, or recommendations that may help strengthen our study. Thank you for listening, and God bless.